Si Julian Mang.
Mommy.
Why?
You.
Apay?
Mommy. Can go car. Kugeme? Kugeme? Kugeme?
Wipe. Tell mommy to wipe your mouth. Very dirty.
No, I want to wash my mouth. Konnichiwa.
Okay. Mang, si Julian.
Mommy.
Why?
Mommy.
What happened to Julian?
See your butt.
Oh, put in the garbage. Your...
Mang and Julian laugh
Why?
because
Ma. Mommy, show the butt.
Why? Put your garbage here, oh, Julian. Don't...
Mang, Julian si
My stone is very dirty.
No, Julian saw your
Mommy. Ma. Ouch.
You see
Ow!
my butt? You see my butt?
Ow!
No, it's true. Mommy, show it.
When you
Show it to
pin.
me.
Kami ang ginitit ti aqua. Mga...
Mommy, show it to me.
Well,
When you pin, I saw your
Mommy,
Julian.
showed it.
Aray!
Mommy, showed it. Show me, you showed it.
Why?
You show it. I'm leaving you, Ma.
oh, don't stay in the middle. Come here. Diba ada motor dito na pasahero. Kapanan na.
Julian, you gonna go home na ba ya?
Oh, daddy is here now. Come here. Junod. Ilihan na dad. Patingin na kuya. Nagpasahero ko dito. Eh, bunubong ka tarong le. Okay, ta. Le.
Oh no, the mosquito bit you again.
Le. Kita ang bunubong ko nila gado. Nagtubo. Le!
Mang.
Yun ang bunubong ko sa green na batya.